Well, the kitchen is starting to take shape. We have the initial tiled wall done and the floor, of course. So we're going to finish the floor by filling in all the gaps, and then the furniture comes in, and then we can do all the rest of the tiling that's kind of required. So I guess it's time to go shopping for a kitchen. Who's that?
He.
Huh.
Here.
Baby. So we've got a nice desk for your room, Flora. Also something we took out of the old house. It's a good carpenter's made desk, and just giving it a bit of a clean up. Probably will sand it down and put another coat of wood varnish. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Yeah, that'd be good. I'll put it in that corner. Tell you what, the view from this desk is pretty good. So today I'm going to make a couple of, well, one temporary compost bay just out of pallets. Should be pretty easy, so let's go. So of course I've got my moral supporter out here, who is slowly disappearing under the hat. Hey Rosalie, yeah. And she seems to like the sound of the chainsaw and the drill the most. There you go. Okay, it's not beautiful, I know, but it will do as a composter. You have to appreciate the steepness of this place, and I'm just putting in last year's grass cuttings again, and some sawdust and the scraps from the house now. So put a little roof on it, and then later in the year when we have time I'll Build one that will probably last a winter too. Just doing a little bit of painting. Using up the rest of the tiles to do a windowsill, the wood tiles, and the rest of this frame will be painted. The work surface is in, the work surface is out. And now it's out because unfortunately it was cut too short. Which means it didn't quite cover this edge and it's going to be thrown away and we're going to get another one, which is a little bit frustrating and sad. But these things happen, you know, like fortunately they haven't happened very much during the course of this build. But yeah, what can you do? Cost 100 euros, and it'll cost another 100 euros. But yeah, so we get a second one. I've just been putting the plugs and the switches in, so we've got lights underneath here now, which is really good for the green tiles because they look really great. And just going to clean up the tiles now, and then I can paint it, ready for the new work surface to come in, and then we can put the fridge back in and mount the sink and the hob, and then I can get on with doing the doors. So the doors and the cupboard are going to get a foil treatment. There's a special foil we've bought for this, which I think I've shown you. Rust. And now you're thinking, OMG, what are you doing? Basically, just playing around with this kitchen. I had a kind of an idea that I'd like to do, and I think it's going to look quite good with these tiles, these rust doors, and this old wood worktop. Then we've got black tap and black sink, so I think it should work, but I guess we just have to wait and see.